Hey guys, welcome to another episode of the Ring Cam Files. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Now let's see what they have for us today. Seattle, Washington. These guys look like they're up to no good. Doing something.
Hold on! What are you doing?
What? I'm looking for my friend.
Checking doors, seeing. So scary. Like, what if the door was unlocked? That kind of stuff scares the crap out of me. Newark, New Jersey. You know that ain't yours. Come on. She probably on her way to work too. That just is. Those are the worst kind of people. Those that go to the work and everything, and they're stealing. Oh my God, that lady just screamed and he ran away. Wow, how scary. Damn. Dallas, Texas. What's this lady taking somebody's stuff? Oh, she must have noticed the camera or something. Like, what the hell? This creep. Up to no good. Taking somebody's package. Oh no. Something's on fire.
The door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Yes.
Houses on fire!
I don't know if it's my stuff or their video, but sorry for the grainy quality. The video sucks. The quality of it, at least. What is... Oh, those bushes are on fire, I think. Wow. Scary. Oh, wow. Thank God for the neighbors. Oh. Thank goodness for the neighbors.
The water's
Oh,
on.
no.
No water here. No water here. No, no, what? What? You have water there? Okay. Wake up.
Newark, New Jersey. Looks like she's running from something or trying to hide from somebody, maybe. Okay, it's the same house. There's this dude. Ew, why is his pants down like that? The hell? Like, gross. Ew.
Hey! Trick or
Minneapolis,
treat.
Minnesota. Trick or treat.
Oh, bitch, give me candy. Trick or treat.
Does he have a knife in his hand?
Oh, hell yeah.
Oh, wow. Oh, no.
Trick or treat. Bitch, show me. I know you're home. Wow, it's really. Well, fuck you. We're not back to talk. I know what's wrong.
Oh, wow. That plane that's flying above is so loud. Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Lady pushing her, I guess, walker. Sort of walker. My mom had one like that after her accident. Where'd she go? What she got? A table and a chair? Oh, no. Grandma, no, you did. Did you just steal her table and chair? Come on. Wow. And she's going to put them on her walker and keep it pushing. Wow. Go home. Jeez. Wow. Dallas, Texas. And this creep. I don't know what he's doing, but this isn't his home. Ladies, ladies, when I tell you, pepper spray, 3 different spots in your house. Newark, New Jersey. We've got a hit and run. Let's see. All right, guys, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please tell me what you thought about the video down in the comments below. Until next time.